Hey there, financial dreamers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a short and sweet guide on how to unlock your dreams through the art of mastering mutual funds. Let's dive in. Your dreams are like stars in the night sky, guiding your financial journey. Take a moment to visualize your dreams. Enter the world of mutual funds, your magic wand to transform dreams into reality. These funds pool resources from many investors and invest in a variety of assets. But here's the secret sauce to make them work for you. It's a balancing act. Understand the delicate dance between risk and reward. High risks can mean high returns, but it's not one size fits all. Find your sweet spot that aligns with your dreams and your comfort level. Diversification is your best friend. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different mutual funds. And there you have it, dream weavers. Choosing the right mutual funds is your passport to realizing your dreams. Start today, and watch those dreams take flight.